Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a morning quick look at the euro versus US dollar after the CPI data, so let's get started. CPI came in at 4.9% versus 5% expected. That was for the headline. The core measure came in at 5.5%. That was as expected. Month-on-month increases were 0.4%. Overall, the market is breathing a sigh of relief. We did see shelter costs continue to move high and higher, and used car prices also move higher. The hope is, folks, that these levels start to come down over time, and we get something a little bit more conducive going forward for the inflation numbers, which brings the overall inflation index down. But still, the inflation is well above 2%. You can imagine that the Fed officials are going to still talk about that going forward, but the market is another thing. We're seeing two-year yields move to the downside, with the two-year yield down 7.1 basis points. The 10-year yield is down minus 5.7 basis points. The Dow Industrial Average is up 178 points currently at the moment, and the NASDAQ index is up around 130 points. So we are seeing stronger stocks, lower yields, lower dollar as well. And taking a look at the euro versus US dollars, you can see here we are approaching and testing the 100 and 200 hour moving averages. That's the blue and green lines in this chart here. The sharp move to the upside. We saw the low prices in trading here today fall down and test the low prices from yesterday's trade, and also the low price going back to last week. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different lows, basically at the same level. 109.403. Buyers leaned against that level, and the CPI data, as you can see, pushed the price sharply to the upside. A move above the 100, 200 hour moving averages opens up the door for the next target not far away at the 50% retracement at 1.10157. Above that is a 61.8% retracement right here. And we might look toward the high price for the week, which was up at this level. I guess that comes in right around the 1.1053-ish type area. Move above that level, and we start to look toward the high price through here. Most of the price action over the last month or so of trading has been mired within this trading range right through here. With lots of ups and downs, as the market tries to figure out what it wants to do. But right now we are right at the key resistance target, 100 and 200 hour moving average. We'll see if traders lean against that level and have a little corrective move to the downside first before breaking above, or do we just break above and continue to run to the upside? That's a choice right now, but right now we're seeing a little bit of a profit taking against those two moving averages to be determined. My name is Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.